Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I've linked to will be linked to down below in the description. And right now, all I'm doing is removing her previous set. This is a 2X course bit. And again, like my last video, there's not going to be a lot of talking. I'm going to primarily use text, so I'll hop back in when I need to, but the main thing you want to do for this is remove all of the previous design, so in this case it's French tips, and then debulk just a little bit, not too much, but I don't want this set, the glitter ombre, to turn out too bulky and like bulbous, so I'm going to go ahead and remove just a little bit more, not too much, and then I'm going to go in and start with her nail prep. I just want to say thank you for all the support that I've gotten on my last video. It has been a long time since I've had a video go close to 100 views and then go over 100 views. So I would like to thank you all for watching it so much. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It'll be in the description. Watch it after you watch this video. And I will be having more press-on videos coming up soon. You guys seem to love the press-on videos. They will be coming up soon. As you can see, I'm also going over the entire nail once again, just because this also helps debulk just a little bit, but it also helps to blend in the previous set with her natural nails, making it a nice smooth surface. And then I go in with my dehydrator. This is from Mia's Secret. You can now buy it separately. Before you had to buy it as a group with like the bond that they have. The bond that they have is okay. It's not my favorite, but the one that I use is from Net Like Lucy. She doesn't sell it anymore. For the primer, I do 2 coats of primer, and then I do a base coat. Cure that for a full 60 seconds, and then I go ahead and apply the builder gel. Again, make sure your builder gel is fully cured. In order to get the proper structure, you can turn the nail over and let it flow into the right place, but remember to always clean up the nails before you cure it. You don't want to leave any wet gel on the skin or anything like that. And then don't let it flow too out of control. And I will show you guys how I do my slip layer, and then I go in and build up the product after I do my slip layer. The slip layer is important because it does just that. It lets the product slip and slide to where it needs to go. So if you do get it on the skin or out of the area you want it to be, make sure you clean it out, because it will flow the product that you're going to put down into that area that you don't want it to be. So you don't need too much, but I am going to get some builder gel, which this is a soft gel. It is able to be soaked off. It's not a hard gel. I like soft gel for things like this because it's kind of similar to acrylic in the way that it can be soaked off instead of being filed off. Like hard gel can only be filed off. So that's why I don't put it on my mom. I don't want to sit there filing it off with her. And yeah, so I'm going to leave everything I have down below in the description, and I'm going to let you guys watch. As you can see, my application was pretty good. There's really nothing that needs like severe correction. It was not bumpy or anything like that, because that's the beauty of like gels and all that stuff. You can wipe it off, move it before you cure it, and then you're good. And I'm using a 180 grit mini sanding band here, and I'm going around her cuticle area, and this is what helps to make her nails look nice and flush. And she really does like this step that I use here. I used to use another bit for this step, but I don't remember what it was called. I'll go ahead and put it down below. I think it's a cuticle bit I used to use to do exactly this, but this works just as fine. And after this, it is going to be time for the design. Of course, I dusted her nails off and wiped them down with some alcohol once again. And this is a glitter polish from Gayoi. And what I asked her if she wanted was if she wants a full nail of glitter or if she wants a sparse ombre kind of look. And she wanted the sparse look. She didn't like the look when it was packed full of glitter, because she likes to see the nude peeking through. So I didn't use another product for that. I used the same brush, and all I did was focus it at the tip and then pushed what was left on the brush, as well as any excess product on the tip, towards the cuticle. That's all I did, and she really did love it. And she actually had it for a really long time because she liked it so much, because she likes very simple nails. But you guys are going to see in like 2 weeks, I'd say. Not 2 weeks. I think I'll do a double upload. Maybe I'll upload 2 videos next week so we can get to it faster. But she does have a new set, and it is acrylic, and it is very colorful. It's for Juneteenth. And yeah, you guys are going to love that one. I will be using pigments again. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this. And after this, it's really not too much. All I do is coat the nails in some top coat and then cure it for a full 120 seconds to 90 seconds. And then that will be all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I've linked to will be linked to down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.